Hey, what's up, guys? Been very busy at work, so I haven't been really consistent. I'm trying to get out of my stupid companies. I've been doing a lot of job searches and interviews and whatnot, so I haven't been consistent recording. But anyway, so today I traded a few times. Overall, $650, 75.30 in commissions and 56 tickets. A bit more than what I like or typically do. So anyway, I traded first stock, Mylan MYL. As you can see, it gapped up. It gapped down and it's basically heading further down. I guess the news was bad or something. So in a 15 minute, this is how it looks like. So basically it started and it just dropped, never recovered. For me, I was a little hesitant because I'm bullish on stocks that gap down, especially this much. At some point it's probably going to pop back up. However, it didn't do it. So on the 5 minutes, I actually took a short position, not necessarily an opening range breakdown since it was breaking down, but what I did here was on the 1 minute, you can see it went up, hit the EMA, and then it lost it. So what I was thinking is it's probably going to go down further and break this level of resistance, the 25.38. So it did pop up and then it dropped, but I was very quick to exit because you never know if this recovery is a holding this position here at 25.27. You don't know if this is going to make a rebound back towards the VWAP. So I exited on my position. It sort of stayed there. Went back to my break even and then it dropped further. And then only after 7 a.m. PST or 10 a.m. EST did it do a semi reversal. But either way, I made $80. I was quick to recover. That was the right move. And then on AIG, I played the stock a few times. So on the daily level, this is how it looks like. It popped up, so I was bearish on it, and I got rewarded for it. Initially, I went long because I saw it held this level, it went back up. I was hoping maybe it would go back up to a high of the day. It popped up, didn't happen, so I exit, and then that was that. Actually, I should look at the 5 minutes. So this is how it looks like in 5 minutes. So basically, it popped up. And it sort of dabbled at this range. So let's go back to 1 minute because then you see better what I did. So went in, stopped out, 500 shares. Always, my strategy typically nowadays that worked out for me is take small size initially, and then once it's confirmed and whatnot, then I go in heavier. So that's what I do. Then I went short, added to my position, it dropped, I covered. It looks like it was holding this on the way back. I exited. Here, not exactly 100% sure. I think I went short, it popped up, and then I got out. I went short again, covered some, went back up, didn't really break this level, so I added to my position on the drop. I covered. And then here is sort of where I held my stock a bit. Not really advisable, but I did it. Should have stopped out, but what I did was I went, I think 500 shares or something, added to my position, went back up, didn't really do anything, added, went back up, still at the same level, didn't pop above it, otherwise I would have a stop out, big loss. Dropped, I covered some, holding this level, dropped, covered. Then I did the same thing, I went short again, popped up, again, it held this level, it didn't pop out, so I didn't have to stop out. Trending around this level, add it, covered, pop back up, still below this SMA, add it, dropped, covered, and as you can see, it dropped actually quite dramatically afterwards too. So now, reason why I kept adding to this position, holding it and whatnot, is because if you look at this EMA, the 2 EMA, the 9 and the 20, flat. It wasn't trending up. This line was not pushing it upwards. This SMA was not trending higher. I was more, there's no certainty in life, especially in trading, but I felt a little more comfortable that this will eventually cross, and once it crossed, the stock's going to drop. This is exactly what happened. It crossed and it dropped. And then so when it proved that, when it popped back up, this is a good level of resistance, or support, I should say, good level of support, I added to my position for a bigger payout. So that's what I did, and I came out all right. I don't recommend doing this. I myself should not be doing this. Should have stopped out. Should not have went short here, number one. Here it's okay because I was figuring this would do. I should just take this position, stop out, and then add it here when it shows that it couldn't go back any higher. Probably get out, stop out here somewhere. But anyway, it is what it is. It did all right.